Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today 15th September, Nifty closed around 20,192. In today's video, we are going to analyze both Nifty and Bank Nifty for the upcoming weeks, and many friends has been requested for a wave count for Nifty long term. So in today's video, we are going to see both Nifty Bank Nifty analysis and also long-term wave count for Nifty. Kindly watch the video fully for more learnings and understandings. Before proceeding for the next week analysis, I would like to show what we have analyzed 2 weeks before. So this is what we discussed in last video, that is on 1st September when Nifty was trading around 19,398. So if you not yet watched the video, please kindly watch it. It will be helpful because we have analyzed and discussed on the complex patterns, not only Nifty, and we have analyzed and discussed how we can easily understand the complex corrections. And I have informed that whenever a triangle comes in a complex correction, either in Y or Z, that will be the end point of complex correction. This statement I mentioned in the last video, and I said this triangle appeared in wave Y, and this is the end point of this complex fourth wave correction, and price crossed 20,100. And on 13th September, when Nifty was trading around 20,070, I have posted that possibly this third can end between 20,175 to 20,245. On 13th September, when Nifty trading around 2070, I expect this in this levels 20,175 to 20,250. This third can end, and we can have a deeper four and fifth to complete this big 5 waves. So where do I get these numbers? Let's discuss all these details in today's video. Before analyzing the next week's probable expectation in Nifty, Bank Nifty, we can start with the long-term chart for Nifty. So this is a Nifty long-term chart from 1995 to today's date. So how to count this long-term chart? So the benefit is we can understand in which wave we are in now and what we may expect in future. Switch to log chart. So as usual, we should start our count from the low point. This is the low. 1, 2, okay, wait. So the lowest point is 0, and first high is wave 1 and wave 2. So wave 2 not crossed below the starting point of wave 1. So it's fine. And wave 3, wave 4. Now, rule with regard to the wave 4 is the low of wave 4 should not trade below the top of wave 1. So in this case, this wave came below this point. So definitely this is not wave 4. So one more thing, while analyzing your charts, within the third wave, you can easily check the 5 subwaves within the third wave that can be visible in even daily chart. For the first wave and fifth wave, you may lower the time frame for seeing the 5 subwaves. But for wave 3, almost in which chart you are analyzing, that particular time frame chart, you can see the sub 5 waves. Okay, so this cannot be wave 3. We should find 5 subwaves within the third wave. So this is, then it could be, for the time being I keep this here. Now I'm going to count 5 subwaves within the third wave. For that, I take this low as 0, 1, 2. Again, wave 2 low not crossed below the starting point of wave 1, and wave 3. Wave 3 should be extended, should move straight, 4 and 5. Okay, I change the color. Okay, so this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 of wave 3. If you see this wave 5 is equal to the wave 3. In classical technical analysis, we can say it as double top. Okay, so this is wave 3, and if this is wave 4, now we are going to count, and this move everything as wave 5. Now we are going to find 5 subwaves within the wave 5. So the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this is the count, again, see, this is not going to happen. Wave 4 has traded below the top of wave 1. So this also not valid. So what we can do is, this third wave, this fifth of third wave is not completed here, it has completed here. I'll show you. And fourth here. Okay. How to count this? Again, 5 subwaves within wave 5 of 3. Okay. I check with fib numbers. So this is wave 1, and if you take this fib number, wave 3 has reached more than 100%. So this is valid. Okay, because wave 3 cannot be the shortest. It is more than 100% of wave 1. So now wave 3 is not the shortest. So this is valid. And wave 2 not below the starting point of wave 1, and wave 4 reached 50% of wave 3. Okay, and wave 5 reached 78.6% of distance between wave 1 and 3. So all fine now. So this is ending point of wave 3. And this is wave 4. That is 2020 crash has wave 4 low. Can we check with this fib number? So from wave 2 low, since it is bigger wave 4, I'm taking the low from bigger wave 2. Okay. In this, we analyzed only the 5 subwaves. So I took wave 2 is here and wave 4 is here. So in bigger structure, this is wave 2. So I'm taking from this low. See, 38.2% retracement of this entire third wave. So this is valid now. So now we are in fifth wave of this bigger structure. So far, how much distance we have reached in wave 5? Same analysis. So wave 1 to 3 distance and taking from wave 4 low. We covered almost 100% a 19,000 zone, and we are still moving. So the next resistance will be 1.236 21,700 odd levels. So 21,700 levels. We need to look for resistance at this level. Okay. So in bigger time frame. So this is my opinion. As I mentioned before, waves can change their structure based on future price action. So as of now, I'm taking this count. So wave 1, wave 2, and wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3 and a 4. And this is wave 1, wave 2, and we are going in wave 3 of larger fifth wave. As I always say, while analyzing, better have two options. So in fifth wave, this is 1, this is 2, and we are moving in third wave. Alternatively, this can be wave 1, 2, right? Wave 1, 2, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is also valid point now. Okay. Always have a second option with wave counts. Initial idea was wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is 4 and 5. Okay. This entire 5 is wave 1 and shallow wave 2, and we are moving in wave 3 up. This is one option. Second option, this is 1, 2, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. This correction has wave 4, and we are going in 1, we are moving in fifth of fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This kind of structure. So we have both options open and we track based on future price actions. So this is long-term Nifty chart, and we are probably in fifth wave. In that fifth wave, there are two options. It may be we are moving in third of fifth, or we are in fifth of fifth. In that fifth, we may be in third. Okay. These are the options open now, and let's see what happens. Now move on to the Nifty analysis for next week. See, this is the point we have discussed. Wait, don't get confused. Okay. So from March 23 low, okay, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and we are moving in wave 5. And in wave 5, this is wave 1, an irregular flat second wave, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and probably the third wave can end here, and a fourth and 5. This is what expectation. No one can predict the end point of the extending third wave, but with the help of Fib numbers, we can have a guess at what area we should be cautious. Okay. So with the help of Fib numbers, where this third wave can end. So these are the two levels I have expecting. I am expecting this third wave can end here. Okay. That is 20,175 to 20,250. Where I am getting this number is by calculating the wave 1 to wave 3 distance. It has crossed 1.618 and it reached 200% of wave 1. This is one resistance. Now to get confluence, I am checking with this third wave, 1, 2, 3, and take this level. It crossed that is 20,175. Now it is 20,250. So that is why I'm expected these two zones, that is 20,175 to 20,250 can be resistance for wave 3. So what we can expect next week is a sideways or corrective pattern from this level, and what we can expect in fourth wave is maybe a deeper, because the wave 2 is complex, that is possibly a irregular flat, so it can be fast, a simple zigzag. There is a possibility of 535 fast correction, and it can be deeper also because this wave 2 is very shallow. So we can expect, if suppose I assume the wave 3 has been ended here, you can expect 19,950 to 19,850. If ends here, nothing much difference. So 19,950 to 19,850 can be the support zone for this fourth zone, fourth wave, and this fourth can be a 535, a zigzag. It can be fast because of alternation theory. Wave 2 is irregular flat, so it can be a zigzag too, and a deeper. So this is what we expect in Nifty the next week. So in Bank Nifty, if we assume it is the 5 waves has already ended here, it cannot be a zigzag, because in zigzag the retracement most probably will end at 61.8%, but in this case it is moving beyond, almost equal to the starting point of this correction. So it can be a flat A, B, and C. It's a possible. If we need to be aligned with Nifty, then this entire wave can be third, and this is fourth, and the price can be moved in fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, these are the two options in Bank Nifty. If you take this, it is not impulsive. See, 1, 2, 3. There is no 5 waves here, so it can be A, B, C. Okay, my initial idea is this. So I go with my initial plan. So this is A, that is A, B, C, and here A, B, C. The C wave when crossed 1.618, so we are nearing the resistance of 46,440, almost previous top zone. Okay, so in this level we can expect a resistance zone. If it is ABC, it can fall here. To align with Nifty, if it is the entire wave is third and we are moving in fifth, like this, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So both the options open. Let's see. You need to check for these levels. Okay, if we even take 1, 2, third, fourth, A, B, C, D, E, one more high is possible, and the high can end at 46,440 levels, or already ended at these levels. We need to watch. We are already in resistance. Okay, so probably next week and upcoming weeks can be a correction period for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Don't take it as any sort of recommendations. None of the things we discussed in this video are recommendations. They are absolutely only for the purpose of learning Elliott wave theory in practical way. I hope you understand. Like my work, like this video, and subscribe the channel. Good luck in your trading. Bye.